Hello everybody, in this video we are going to be looking at a recirculating aquaculture system for the white-leg shrimp in Thailand. Now this just shows you the general idea of how to create a recirculating aquaculture system in this area. Now once we get more towards the further into the video, you'll see that there is this is a semi-intensive aquaculture system with medium stocking densities. Looking at how the ponds are created, you can see that there is a 13-meter depth with a pipe built in between to allow for proper drainage, to allow for suctioning. This allows you to aerate the pond, and the polyethylene plastic that is wrapped around to prevent escape. Now, this is what the pond looks like at the beginning of the recirculating aquaculture system. So you can see the